I've noticed this, chat, and this is just gonna be me complain. It's like content creator complaint garbage, so I apologize if you find this boring, but I find that most people who like are in the art category to like watch streams, they literally only want to watch people color. They never want to watch people sketch. It's so weird to me. Like, I always get the highest viewership in the art category, like for my streams, like when I'm coloring. It's so funny. Attention span dropping by the minute. Wait, maybe today's the day I put the Subway Surfers gameplay. Hold on. Subway Surfers gameplay. 10 hours. Window capture. Subway Surfers. Oh my fucking god. Okay, wait. There we go, chat. This is for you. Okay, well, that's not going anywhere. So, that's your baby sensory video for while I figure this out. Finally a stream I can sit through, Pog. You know, I don't know, chat. I've noticed ever since I downloaded TikTok, my attention span has gone to shit. So maybe this will help my viewership, you know? Smile. Maybe this will help, right?